Die Hard, Gremlins, Italian Inferno, Manhattan City, and King Kong. If you can visualize this.
Optical effects and your imagination. Focus your attention up here to the screens above for a moment, please. On the right, you see a matte painting. On the left is a live action shot here in the soundstage. In the middle is a composite shot, the same result you see in the movies. Now look back to your right. 25 stories high is my brave and daring stunt coordinator, Kendallin. She knows what to do. I need all of you to look at the center screen, please. And action. Now, it was in that same manner that Dorothy arrived in the land of Oz, and Cary Grant scaled across the faces of Mount Rushmore, the movie classic North by Northwest. Both use matte paintings. Another option. Fine, okay. Are you guys ready? You're ready. All right, you know when I yell action, you need to shake, stagger, and scream like you're in the middle of an 8.3 earthquake, all right? You do that? All right, and if anything should happen to fall on top of you, you can act like it hurts if you want. It's supposed to, all right? And remember, no smiling or laughing because it's an earthquake and it's not a happy disaster. All right. Grips, you know what to do. Grip 1 when I tell you, you pull once. Grip 2 when I tell you, you keep pulling your rope hand over hand until something happens to our shoppers. Let's see how the shoppers look up on the screen here. They look great. Let's drop in audio, please. Background and action. Shoppers, shake, stand and scream. Keep pulling harder. All right, it's concrete. That's gotta hurt. Fall down. And cut. Okay. Give them a nice big round of applause. Family and friends, if you would, please raise your hands at this time. Raise your hands so they can rejoin you. There you go. Uh-oh. Shoplifters. Right here. Shoplifters. Thank you very much. There you go. That's all right.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've just experienced a minor earth tremor. For your own safety, please remain seated.